What up, guys? It's your boy Dibs Trading back at it again with another live trading video. On this trade today, we took a reject on SPY, and the date is August 12th, 2022. We took this trade live in our Discord with our Discord members in the live trading voice chat, so it was real time. You're gonna hear my live entry, exit, and all that. So, really great session overall. You're gonna hear my boy Nico in the call as well, one of the best admins in the chat. Great trader, man. Shout out to him. So if you guys want to join that Discord, it's free of charge. Link's gonna be in the description. Come through if you're trying to make some money, man. Let's get to it. All right, so right here you guys are looking at the chart for SPY on Friday. So I pretty much didn't like the opening range, how choppy it was in the morning. So I really played it light today, not my usual size, but I took a nice little quick trade that I, recorded. So wanted to show you guys how I took it and like my rationale behind it, right? So intraday we opened here at 9:30, and then we chopped around for a bit, came all the way up here, got rejected, came back down, came back up, retested it, and got a huge fat rejection again right here. Once I saw this rejection, it was a sign for me to be like, yo, why this sell off? Where is it selling off at, right? So once we rejected here, I created this box intraday right here where we kept wicking off of. So I realized that this was a huge supply level, right? Especially because of this sell-off here. I mean, this was a good sell-off too, but this was humongous, right? So my rationale behind this trade is if we get back up to this level, I want to take a short. So I'm going to show you guys in the next clip how that plays out, man. So let's get to it. All right, I'm in a little bit of SPY puts here.
Yeah, I'm starting to trim the video too. All right, I'm down to my runner in the video.
Oh, never mind. SPY's about to break this. Let's see. I might have to cut this. Never mind. Rejected. Let's see if it can hold below the zone. Come on, SPY. I'm up a little. Oh, nice. Fuck rejection. I'm out $400 profit. Boom!
Woo!
Boom!
Nice, bro.